In this video tutorial, learn how you can delete a file from your Windows 11 machine. Let's dive in. Hello, my name is Sakode. In this video, I'll show you how you can delete a file from your Windows 11 machine. If you are new to this channel and you are not yet subscribed, then click on the subscribe button and tap on the bell icon so that you do not miss our next video. Deleting a file from your Windows 11 machine, you can delete it from the desktop or from your local drive. So on my desktop, I have a file. So to delete it, I right click on the desktop, the file, then I click on delete tab to delete, or I can click on search for more, then I choose delete to delete the file from my Windows 11 machine. Thank you. Kindly like, comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and tap the bell icon so that you do not miss our next video. Thank you for watching.